Just south of Niarbyl is this beautiful beach, Traie Vane. Traie is a Manx word for beach or shore. It's simple enough, try. Being on an island, there are loads of place names with Traie in them, and this is one such place. Vane or Vane is the Manx word for white, so Traie Vane means white beach or white shore in Manx, and for obvious reasons. Just look at all this lovely white quartz. In Manx, it's quite usual for describing words to come after places, things, or people. For example, mother do, where mother means dog and do means black. Such is the case with Traie Vane, the first word meaning beach, and the second word, Vane, meaning white. Down in Port Erin, there's another little beach called Traie Vane, which is accessible at low tide by foot. How many place names with Traie, Vane, or Vane in them do you know?